friends, today we are discussing about Corolla 2D. It's very powerful body and engine and fully diesel engine car. And you can see the body shape and each and everything you can analyze. Normally, this vehicle has been used in rough and tough terrains and the powerful engine. But unfortunately, there is too many problems comes in the engine and in this car. So here we are talking about some problems which is engine stall. Today we have a diesel engine in which the engine is stalling time to time. There is a feed pump. Here we are feeding and it's very loose while we are pushing the feed pump area. So we are pushing our power and the feeding pump is not responding as it should be. So we put the pipeline in which we can provide the fuel from out of the feed pump to the direct injection pump. So we observe that there are the bubbles, air bubbles, and it's the air bubbles going into the direct injection pump. So that's the reason which engine was stalling or it's vibrating. You can see here there are the bubbles, air bubbles, and it's creating more and more after the engine is started. So you have to diagnose these things while starting the engine and diagnose from the transparent pipe which I have been using here. So now I put or bypass the feed pump from here, means I put directly from tank to diesel injection pump. So the line is perfectly okay and there is no bubbling area, means the diesel is going perfectly continue okay. So that's the reason the diesel feed pump can be faulty or it should be replaced. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.